Good morning all. Under the phylum Chordata, we are seeing there the three subphylum. In that three subphylum, the subphylum Vertebrata again divides into the six classes. That is Cyclostomata, Pisces, Amphibia, Reptiles, Aves and Mammalia. Reptilia, Aves and Mammalia. So previously we already studied about the Cyclostomata, Pisces and Amphibia. Now let's move on our next class, that is the class Reptilia. Mainly all reptiles are covered under this class Reptilia. See the characteristics. According to the course of animal evolution, these are the first two terrestrial animal with the creeping movements. Mainly whatever the theory of the evolution, that as the evolution goes on, these are means the animal belonging to the class Reptilia, these are the first true terrestrial animal. Mainly these are the firstly seen animal, they are found on the land with the creeping movement. Creeping means जैसे क्रीप सॉइल से अटैच्ड होके वो जो सॉइल पे चलते हैं, दैट इज़ द क्रीपिंग मोमेंट. These are cold-blooded animal. In our previous video also I explained that thing. Cold-blooded means those animal, they can change their body temperature according to the environment, and mainly the scientific word is given for them, they are the poikilotherms. So these are also, that reptilia also cold-blooded animal. They creep on land as their body cannot be lifted up. They creep on the land as their body cannot lifted up. उनकी बॉडी ऊपर नहीं उठ सकती ड्यू टू देयर वेट और weak limbs. That's why they walk on land by performing a creeping movement. Their skin is dry and scaly. Mainly if you see the example of salamander, you can see in them the body is dry and scaly. Scales present होते हैं उनके बॉडी पे. Neck is present between head and trunk. It is the head region. So beside head there is the presence of the neck region. External ear is absent. External ear that is absent in the animal belonging to the class Reptilia. Digits are provided with the claws and their digits. The legs digits are provided with the claws are present in their limbs. Example tortoise, lizard, snakes or crocodile. The next class is aves. These vertebrates are completely adapted for aerial life. Whatever the animal belonging to the class aves, mostly they bears the aerial life. Aerial life means they mostly fly in air. These are warm-blooded animals. Cold-blooded animal is called the poikilotherms and the warm-blooded animal is called the homeotherms. One of the example is human also. These are warm-blooded, that is they can maintain their constant body temperature. Means they cannot change their body temperature according to the environment. They always bears a constant body temperature. Their body is spindle shaped to minimize the air resistance during flight. ड्यूरिंग फ्लाइट मीन्स जब वो एयर में उड़ते हैं तब एयर का जो फ्लो रहता है या एयर को रेजिस्ट करके आगे बढ़ने के लिए उनकी जो बॉडी रहती है वो स्पिंडल शेप रहती है एज दे चीयर द एयर फोर्स और द फोर्स ऑफ द एयर. Four limbs are modified into wings. Their four limbs are mainly modified into the wings and it helps to fly easily in air. Digits are covered with scales and bears claws. Their digits are mainly covered with scales and bear. The claws are present here in the legs region. Exoskeletal is present in the form of feathers. The exoskeletal are present on their body, but it is in the form of feathers. No bony structure is present on the outer side of body. Neck is present between head and trunk. It is the head region, and below that it is the trunk region. So in between the head and trunk there is the presence of the neck region. In the aves, jaws are modified into beaks. Jaws are absent and that jaws are modified into the beak. Examples: peacock, parrot, pigeon, duck, penguins. The last class is the Mammalia. What is Mammalia? Mainly those organisms, they give birth to young one and they bears a mammary gland. Mainly these are the basic characteristics of the animal belonging to the class Mammalia. The mammary gland is present in their body. The presence of mammary gland is typical character of Mammalia. These animals are warm-blooded. These are also warm-blooded animal, means they are the homeotherms. Body is divided into head, neck, trunk and tail. Body is separately divides into the head, neck, trunk and tail. Digits are provided with the nails, claws or hooves. हूज मीन्स द टफ कवरिंग रहते हैं, जैसे कि लॉयन, टाइगर्स, ये जो रहते हैं इनके नेल्स पे देखना हूज मीन्स नुकीले नेल्स जैसा स्ट्रक्चर दिखता है, टफ स्ट्रक्चर, दैट इज द हूज. Exoskeletal is in the form of hairs or fur, and the exoskeletal present outside the body, mainly it is in the form of hairs or fur. Example: elephant, human, kangaroo, dolphin, bat, etc. Some extra information is given here. Animals like gharial and crocodile live in water as well as on land. Are they amphibians or the reptiles? Now you know the characteristics of all the phylums or subphylum or different classes. So just try to give the answer of these simple questions. The animal like gharial and crocodile live in water as well as land. These two animals can live on land as well as in water. So what we call them, either they are amphibians or reptiles. Animals like whale, walrus live in water, means mainly in the ocean. Whether they are included in Pisces or Mammalia, either these animals, that is the whale and walrus, live in water. So what we call them, they are Pisces or Mammalia. Just try to find the answers and improve your brain power. Here our chapter is finished. Let's go through it, read the chapter, understand it carefully. I hope you understand whole lesson